Jialong Packaging Machinery Co., Ltd. Our factory specializes in producing carton printing machine, corrugated cardboard production line, folder gluer machine, fluid laminator machine, stitching machine, die cutting machine, and other relevant packaging machinery for more than 30 years. Many years before, our factory considers quality is first, honesty is ruled as our principle, to meet customs demand is our target, until after-sale service with high quality and professional technique, its engineer's office. This is the printing and gluing workshop. Workers are assembling machines. FFG automatic corrugated printing slotting rotary cutting inline folder gluer strapper machine line. This part is automatic corrugated cardboard folding gluing machine. The machine that has been packed and will be delivered soon. Workers process parts on machine tools. This area is a warehouse for spare parts, materials, and tools. We would like to cooperate with friends from every country sincerely. And we will work hard to create the future of packaging together. If you are interested in our machines or factories, you are welcome to visit us at any time, and we will treat you sincerely. Thank you, everyone.